To another video. I hope we are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Today we are cooking something very sweet, short and straight to the point. Some time ago I bought what are this? Is it prawns? Hey, I don't know. Hey, guys, I don't know. But something seafood related, I forgot. The thing is, hey, doing videos, guys, I make. So you'll see. Trust the process. Throw in your butter, of course, with low heat. Remember, I've taught you in this house that we don't cook butter with a high heat because it's going to burn it, like it burns easily and becomes dark, and it means don't just cook. If you want to cook and using either margarine butter or something like that, something of that nature, please, heat must always be on 2 or 3. It must dissolve nicely like the way it is in this video, right? Then we took a little bit of parsley, and then we chopped. They will play you to the core, understand? And at this time around, what do we call this thing, guys? Now I forgot. Ngakutshela ukuthi mina ngiyisidlela phela phuthu nopapa nobisi nonyama fela. So lezi zinto zokutura lezi chawdura, these things that are expensive, we don't know them. I forgot, and I'm having a mind block. Like at this point, I can't think properly. So you're not going to judge me. I'm tired. It's at what time is it? I'll tell you. I content 11 minutes past 11 at night. So tell me, why am I not thinking straight? Of course I will not. So fry it nicely. Fry. You are seeing the process. I didn't put anything. It is what it is. With butter, a little bit of parsley. Of course it is small because it was already finished. Then this way remaining. So this is how you can cook it and have